So this week's word of the week for week number 22 is EMOM. Now, EMOM is an abbreviation for every minute on the minute. Now, that basically means that you're going to perform an exercise. Let's say it's 20 push-ups. You're going to have 1 minute to complete 20 push-ups. If you finish those 20 push-ups in 1 minute, you wait for the next round, which will maybe do sit-ups for a minute. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 22 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have vertical jumps. Exercise number 2, we have lunges. Exercise number 3, we have flutter kicks. And exercise number 4, we have quick feet. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 22. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we had vertical jumps. So what you're gonna do is start with your feet shoulder width apart. I'm gonna step forward with my right foot, then my left foot, and then I'm gonna explode and jump up as high as I can. So again, right, left, jump, go back, right, left, jump, using your legs to propel you to go up. Exercise number 2, we got lunges. So I'm gonna do 5 lunges with my left leg forward, and then I'll do 5 with my right leg going forward. So I'm gonna go left foot forward, knee almost hits the floor, go back down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, last one, and then I'm gonna switch it. Right leg will go forward, and then I'll do this 5 times. All right, so those are called lunges. Exercise number 3, we got flutter kicks, so we're gonna go on down to our bottoms. We're gonna make sure our backs are flat on the floor, heads are on the floor. If you want, you can lift up your head. And what you're gonna do is simply get your legs to alternate going forward, up and down like this. So that's flutter kicks. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, bring up your torso slightly and do it that way. These are flutter kicks. And number 4, we got quick feet. So we're just gonna step in place, shoulder width apart, and step on our toes. Try to stand your toes as much as you can, okay? So those are quick feet. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll begin in just a moment. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Vertical jumps. Remember, step right, left, up. Right, left, up. Or you can go left, right. It's completely up to you. Make sure you step back to that vertical jump. Use those legs to propel you up. 2 more seconds. All right, lunges. Again, we're gonna go 5, and then switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. Now right foot goes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. Great job, my friends. Keep up the good work. Remember the motto, just finish. All right, go down on the flutter kicks. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Lift those legs up again. If you want to challenge yourself, lift your head up, bring your torso slightly 6 inches off the ground. Notice my knees are not bent like this, but my legs are extended straight, up and down. Come on, you got it. Breathe in. Out. In and out. All right, last one, quick feet. On your feet, on your toes, on your toes. Let's go, let's go, let's go, on your toes. Jump your hands, jump your feet, go, 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 go. You got it, let's go, work, 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 work. Number try. Your heels off the ground, on your toes the whole time. Go, 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 chop, chop, chop. 1 minute rest. I hope you're enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. We now are on Fast 5 22. If you have not checked out 1 through 21, highly recommend you do that. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you guys are interested in checking out my other Fast 5 YouTube channel, it has all of the workouts, you can do that as well. 20 seconds left. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in. Breathe in. Alright, you're ready to go. We're going to start right back at the top. Top. Here we go. Vertical jumps. I'm going to go left, right, and then jump up. Or right, left, and then jump up. Fully up to you. Okay, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Left, right, up. I want you touching that ceiling. Let's go. As high as you can go. Propel you with your legs. Let's go. We're working today, my friends. Let's go. No keeping up. Remember my motto, just finish. 5 seconds left. Let's go. We got lunges coming up. All right, lunges. This time I'm going to alternate. We go 1, switch, switch. So left foot goes forward, right foot goes forward. Remember, your knee does not hit the floor, it goes near the floor. You got it, let's go. Work hard, my friends. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, come on down, flutter kicks. We go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go, up. Push yourself. You never know your limits, let's go. Work hard, my friends, work hard. 15 more seconds. If you're in pain, we're working hard here. All right, let's go, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your feet. Quick feet, let's go. Boom, boom, boom. On your toes. Let's go. Count those off, everything you got. 30 seconds. Come on. Work hard, my friends, work hard. Just finish. And time. Awesome job, my friends. You completed Fast 5 workout number 22. Fist up, high five. Pat on the back. Virtual fist bump. Congratulations, great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 22. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout, what kept you motivated, what words came to your head while you were participating in this workout. If you have not done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my new YouTube channel for Fast 5 workouts. It's called Fast 5 Workouts. And don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Zigzag Bowling. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here's the setup for Zigzag Bowling. I have 4 water bottles over here, slightly slightly fill, just a little bit. And then I have 4 cones over here. Now, obviously, this can be modified and used, maybe use some shoes, maybe use some teddy bears, stuffed animals, whatever you guys have at home. You can use those instead of cones. And what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to start and you're gonna have to do a zigzag pattern, kind of like you do in basketball, soccer training, right? You zigzag through cones. So you're gonna zig, you're gonna zag, go through, and then you're gonna have to run back. Once you run back to your starting cone, you're gonna pick up a sock ball and you're gonna roll it. Make sure you step with the opposite foot, stay low to the ground, tick tock, and again, roll it, and you wanna knock down the water bottles, just like I did right there. Now you get 2 tries. Now, if you are able to knock it down like I just did, so after I knock this down, I'm gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna zigzag through again, and then I'm gonna step up to the next cone, yellow, next one, green, and then to the white. Now, you're gonna have 1 minute to try to knock down all of these water bottles, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll give this activity a try in just a moment. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. Zigzag through the cones. Come around, 2 rolls. All right, that's 1. Moving on to the next cone, zigzag. Come around. Oh, it's 2, zigzag. All right. 3rd water bottle. All right, that's 3, last one. Can Mr. Garcia do it? Zigzag. And time. With 25 seconds left to spare, Mr. Garcia completed level 1. All right, so now here's the setup for level 2. Now level 2, I actually moved the water bottles out further back. They're about 6 feet away now. And instead of going just traditionally side to side, like we did round 1, round 2, we're actually gonna go forward and backwards. So we're gonna start here at the red cone. We go forward, back pedal, through the cone forward, back pedal, around, and then you get your 2 rolls. Now remember, you must knock down the water bottle in order to move on to the next cone. So get ready for level 2, and I'll start in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, moving on to the next one. In and out. That's 2. Moving on to the 3rd cone. Oh, 3 cones knocked down. Last one. Oh, and time. All right, so for level 2, Mr. Garcia was only able to knock down 3 of the bottles. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of zigzag bowling. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activities. What different locomotor movements would you have chosen for this activity? Again, don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.